Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix your shutters if they're not closing properly.
Sometimes shutters can sit on a slight angle or become twisted, which is enough to stop them from closing snugly, but it's an easy fix. So, start by placing a spirit level on the front of your shutter frame, like this, to check if it's straight. It might only be off by a small amount, but if you want them to shut properly, it needs to be level. Check both sides of the frame. If the shutter frame isn't level, undrill the screws part way at either the top or the bottom, whichever is sitting deeper. Also undrill the side screws part way and gently bring the top or bottom of the frame forward slightly. Now check to see if your panels stay closed. If you have direct mount T-posts, follow the previous step using your spirit level to make sure they're vertical. Tighten the screws back in, keeping the frame vertical, and caulk where there's a gap.
If this still doesn't solve it, give DIYblinds a call.